my channel. My name is Alondra, and today I'm coming at you with a fall living room tour. It includes a section that was not included in my previous video, so I hope y'all enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this, because I have 0 subscribers and I would greatly appreciate that. Leave your suggestions down below. I will definitely take them up for consideration. Let's just get right to it and through it.
Starting off from the same corner that we started off on last time, we have, the same planter, the same plant, the same drawer that we DIY'd and added these legs to. We have 2 pumpkins, the same plants, I believe. This one was kind of dying, but it seems to be getting healthy again, so hopefully it continues. Then we have the same sconces and metal wall art. Over here we have the same table from last time, the same lantern things, and inside we still kept the same things. I wanted to change this because we don't have that color going on anymore, but didn't want to paint it either, so I just left it there. We have this oil scent, this thing that has essential oils. We have this sign that says believe. I'm not sure if I had it there last time. I think I did. And we added this gold rose and perfume thing that was in the centerpiece last time. We have this autumn pillow cover that I got on Amazon on our armchair. Over here we have the same table from my last video, or living room tour. The same book holder. Now here I have a orange tiny little pillow that I got at Walmart that says gather together. Honestly, I kind of regret it buying it because it was like $5. I was like, I should have just gotten a bigger one, but I ended up putting it there, so whatever. Then on the candle holders we put another type of candle holder that I got at Hobby Lobby on discount, and they're just white. And instead of putting candles in there, we put all of our leftover fall flowers. Over here on our chimney we have this cream colored pumpkin that I got at Walmart a while back. This orange pumpkin that I got at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree to be specific, a while back as well. We have this beautiful fall background going on. And then down here we have the same angels, because like I told y'all in the last video, they were kind of giving me fall color vibes, so I just kept them there. We have the same David and Goliath book, the To Kill a Mockingbird book, another one of the Dollar Tree pumpkins. This one's brown, the other one was orange with brown. I did swap, however, the swan that holds the air conditioning remote. We have the Xfinity box here still, the remote as well. Our plant that was dying, but we took it outside and it gained its health back. It's looking really good. Now on this armchair we changed the blanket and we put an orange one. We have another pillow cover that came with the other one, and it was a set of 4. This one says grateful, the other one said autumn. Originally we were gonna do this color again, just a little soft greens, blues, browns, but my mom wanted more color in the living room, so we added the orange. At first I didn't think it was gonna work out, but it did. We have our cute little window that's, like I said in the last video, I believe it's our base. If y'all would like me to make a decorating for Christmas video, let me know and I'll show y'all our base, furniture, and how we go about decorating. We kept it pretty simple this time. So over here we have this green glass vase, a white flower, an orange flower, and a melon colored flower. The angels that were over here, well no, actually no, was it them? Yeah, I think it was them. They were over here originally in that corner table. We moved them over here with a vase. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, you know, our same old angel table. And for the center, this time around, we put these flowers, another cardboard vase that my mom painted. She was really inspired by the one that I made, which I haven't uploaded the tutorial because I didn't like the voiceover that I did, but I think I'm gonna redo the whole thing. No, not the whole thing, the voiceover on this. How I did this, it's not the best of the best DIY video, but hopefully y'all will enjoy it. So we have another yellow, an orange, and a green hydrangea. I don't know how you pronounce the name. They're all fake. We have this white one on the back just to fill the whole thing. We have the angel. And we put this little gold, yellowish gold band over it out of ribbon. We have a green pumpkin that also came with the ones on our chimney from the Dollar Tree. We have this Laugh Often cup thingy, you know, where you put the cups. I'm not sure what they're called, but you're supposed to lay them flat and put cups on them so they don't stain your glass. This one broke. I kind of want to throw it, but I don't think my mom wants to, so we're just going to keep it there. We have this green candle, vanilla scented. And so this is how that's looking. I'll give y'all a better preview. Pretty clean, not too much. I have my dog's drawer over here because we removed the little blue chairs that we have over here. We put them in a new section that I didn't show y'all last time, but I will be showing y'all this time. And we just changed the covers on them pretty sloppily, if I'm being honest. Oh, I didn't show you the curtains color that we have going on. It's this, okay, on here it looks like it's the same color as our wall, pretty close, but it's actually like a yellowish gold. Oh. Let's see, what can I do so y'all can see the color better? Okay, here. Ah. You really can't see the color that good. Trying to get better lighting, but it's not working. Okay, maybe if you look back here, I think that's real close to the color. Now y'all can see it. Like if I put my finger here, y'all can see the color. It's like a yellow gold, very autumny color. Yeah, we have a fly over here, so gross. I'm gonna kill it as soon as we finish recording this. So yeah, okay, there's that. The bottom ones were not changed. We kept the same color. They're kind of, you know, the base. Over here on our lovely, wow, y'all just got a full glimpse of the mop I cleaned right before filming this. So yeah, we have this turquoise, blue, green pumpkin pillow that came with the ones that are on the armchairs. We kept the There's No Place Like Home one. We kept the Cherish Every Moment one from the last video that we did. And then back here we have this one that has 3 blue, gray, green pumpkins. And so yeah, these 4 that are all from autumn came together in an Amazon package for a really good price. If y'all want the link, let me know, and I will be super happy to give y'all the link. Oh look, here you can see the carton color quite well. Over here we have the little chairs that were once blue and orange, and you might think that they're well placed, but I actually just pinned them because the fabric was kind of cut in a really weird shape because it was not meant for this, but it worked out because it kind of matches the color on that blanket. Give y'all a closer look. It's actually pretty funny and embarrassing, but they're just, ew, y'all saw my toe. They're just pinned. This one's actually wrapped. Really gross. But from the front, y'all can't really tell. And we're about to start decorating for Christmas. We have the same window. This time y'all can, same window that's on that side is here, and y'all can get the full glimpse of what it looks like. Over here, I didn't show y'all this little table. We usually, well, since last year it was very trendy to put your Christmas tree in like a box. We used this table and just removed the top. On the little windows we have 3 little angels. Didn't put candles on them because they always wind up falling either way, so we just kept them. They're really cute. We got them at the thrift store. The chairs, we got them at the thrift store too. I forgot to tell y'all where I got stuff this time around, but if y'all want to know where something came from, I will gladly respond to the comments down below. We have this gorgeous plant. We haven't bought a cute little planter for it yet. We're gonna make one, so we'll see what we end up doing, because I also don't know where we're gonna put the Christmas tree this year. Last year it was in that corner, then the year before that it was right here. Here we have a key holder that is the key itself. Then I'm not going to show y'all the corridor yet because it's not looking the way I want it to just yet. So hopefully during the Christmas time y'all will be introduced to it. Wow, I just left y'all hanging on the floor. Anyways, the last corner I'm going to show y'all today is also part of our living room. We have this little table. Wow, y'all almost saw me and it looked really ratchet. Let me get out the way. We have this also green glass base. It's a lot more clear than green, but you can see hints of the green at the bottom. My mom filled it up with pine cones. We were supposed to put more, but we didn't because we've been super busy. We have a green pumpkin that I wanted to place somewhere else, but it just didn't fit anywhere else. So it wound up here, not too bad. 2 birds that were on the angel table last time. And then we have this mirror that I didn't show y'all last time because we hadn't painted it, and I just really did not like the way it was looking. It was white and I loved it in white. It was definitely a vibe, but it just wasn't matching enough with the table. They didn't look good together. And lastly, on this little corner, we have two other angels that were gifted to my mom. We painted them white. They were not white originally, and we have the little ribbon band on them as well. Here's a little glimpse of our corridor, front door corridor. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye. If y'all want to see how these recline, make sure to check out my other video. On this one, I will not be demonstrating its little features because it's time consuming and I don't have as much time to film today. So here's that area. This fabric was actually from the discount section at Hobby Lobby. There's the actual color. Like I said, it matches the blanket really good. And this orange pillow that I got at Walmart, though I wasn't that content with its price, it wound up balancing out the orange a little bit more because I really wanted something orange right here, but on this table that doesn't have anything in orange, but I didn't find nothing and I didn't want to paint things on the inside, so it's just being that. And yeah, stay tuned for my next videos. Let me know if y'all want a decorating with me video, and I will make sure to make that during Christmas. Otherwise I will just do another Christmas tour.